Check it out, motherfuckers. It's fucking 2:06. That just turned 2:07 in the motherfucking PM, right? Obviously, you can tell by the daylight. Got the beautiful scenery back here, like actual beautiful scenery. I know bullshit. Motherfucker, we over here in Oregon, bro. See this? See this? That's how we drink, bro. You know what I mean? We can go up here too. Yeah, hold up, bro. We'll start this video down here right quick. Just finished the other one from the other video, right? Alright, that. We got another news. Another news. No. Gotta keep it 16. Yeah? Fuck that motherfucking 13 shit. Fuck that motherfucking 18 shit. Fuck it all. Come get some, bro. Deuces, bro. Deuces. Nah, cheers, motherfucker. Seen your video up there hanging out up by the blocks, bro. That's pretty legit. I got some of those too. Here, hold up. We'll go up there real quick. Go say what's good to the hood again. Fuck, my cigarettes again. God damn it. Alright. Gotta have the 99s, bro. Oh, you motherfucker. I was just gonna walk up there and this motherfucker just came up and parked up on the wall. No, we're gonna move that shit. I'm joking, you ain't gonna move that shit. Nah, dude, I live really close to the industrial area, bro. But like right now, I'm like literally like I'm in the industrial area. If you look up Fairview, Oregon, pretty much all of it's industrial area. Wow. At least 85, 90 something percent of it's fucking industrial. Fucking bought up all this land from these old fucking rich people. And fucking put in a bunch of gas stations and fucking bullshit bars. Fucking bunch of bullshit. Commercial fucking berry fields that don't even fucking grow anything anymore. They haven't grown shit in like over 8 years, but hey, they're still there, yo. Fuck ever. No, I wasn't picking my fucking nose. I had an itch, motherfucker. I wasn't sticking it in. I was fucking. I'm joking. Let's go see. Hopefully this trucker dude don't give me no shit about chicken up here over here too. He'll be the next one. Tell him to fuck off too. Fuck too, man. Fuck too, man. Fuck too. Go check it out. See, motherfucker. I kick it in the good spots, bro. Only in the good spots. Oh, UPS. Oh my God. United Pass Workers. I can smell it from here. Hey. Check it out, bro. Look, see, he's parked on the other block, so he's parked on those. So I gotta kick it at this block. I gotta kick it on this block. My block to your block. Oh, shit. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Holy shit. Oh, so yeah, I know, yeah, I know you guys can recognize this place too, right? There's the car wash. There's the side of the building that I'm usually kicking it at pretty much every night. Almost every night. Ah, nice. Neighbor's calling. Good, good, good. Alright, deuces. Come on, you piece.